This is the brief on defining the gospel. Now, while people often rely on the cliché that the gospel just means the good news, the Apostle Paul provides a strict, fluff-free, three-part definition in the ancient text of 1 Corinthians 15. And metaphors reign where mysteries reside, which is exactly why we need this precise, literal definition instead of vague ideas. First, Christ died for our sins according to the Scriptures. Notice what's totally omitted here. Paul does not include Jesus' miracles, his moral teachings, or his life examples. Wait, no miracles? No teachings? It's fascinating that the things people focus on most today didn't even make the cut for the core definition. Second, he was buried. Paul actually makes a special emphasis on the burial by relating it to the concept of baptism, while Peter connects it to Noah's flood. But here's a question for you. Why does the physical burial require its own distinct bullet point separate from the death itself? Finally, he rose again the third day according to the Scriptures. Now, Jesus actually predicted this himself in the books of John and Matthew. But when Paul says according to the Scriptures, he strictly means the Old Testament. So here's an intriguing riddle for you. Where exactly in the Old Testament does it predict someone will be in a tomb for 3 days? Ultimately, the gospel boils down to these 3 highly specific historical events anchored in ancient texts, not a list of moral examples.